Your passage is clear and suitable for learners. Here is a polished version with a few grammar and style improvements. The story of Adam, as was the first prophet of Allah Almighty and the first human being. Allah Almighty created Adam from dust, then breathed life into him and granted him knowledge. Allah Almighty commanded the angels to prostrate before Adam as a sign of respect. All the angels obeyed Allah's command, but Iblis refused because of his arrogance. As a result of this disobedience, Allah Almighty removed him from his mercy. Allah Almighty placed Adam as in paradise and created his wife, Hawa Eve. They lived comfortably and enjoyed the blessings of paradise. Allah Almighty permitted them to benefit from everything in paradise except one particular tree, which they were commanded not to approach. Iblis deceived Adam and Hawa and persuaded them to eat from that tree. After they ate from it, they realized their mistake and immediately sought Allah's forgiveness. Allah Almighty accepted their repentance, but He sent them to earth where they and their descendants would live. On earth, Adam lived according to Allah's commands and taught his children to worship Allah, do good deeds, and speak the truth. In this way, he became the first prophet of Allah and guided humanity toward righteousness. Lesson: this story teaches us that arrogance is a serious sin, that we should obey Allah's commands, and that if we make a mistake, we should sigh.